Spotted, Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino, sobrang sweet sa Bislig City, Surigao del Sur, July 10, 2025. Bislig City, Surigao del Sur, July 10, 2025. Fans in Bislig City were treated to a memorable and heartwarming moment as Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino visited the city for a special event. The two stars, who have been consistently making waves as an on-screen tandem, were spotted together, and their genuine camaraderie and warm personalities instantly lit up the place. The crowd warmly welcomed the duo, who were all smiles as they interacted with fans, posed for photos, and participated in the local celebration. Observers described the two as sobrang sweet, noting how Kim and Paolo appeared very comfortable and in sync throughout their stay. Kim Chiu, who hails from Cebu, looked radiant in a simple yet stylish outfit, while Paolo Avellino carried himself with his signature quiet charm. The two were seen chatting casually between activities, exchanging friendly jokes, and sharing light moments that showcased their solid friendship and mutual respect. Ang saya nila panoorin. Walang arte, ang bait nila sa fans, one event goer shared. Another added, genuine talaga yung connection nila. Ramdam mo yung appreciation nila sa mga tao dito. Kim and Paolo's appearance in Bislig City was part of their commitment to connecting with fans in different parts of the country, proving once again how much they value their supporters. As the event ended, both stars thanked the people of Surigao del Sur for the warm reception. Kim even took to social media to post a short message. Mas mahigit, thank you, Bislig City. Grabe ang energy at pagmamahal ninyo. Daghang salamat. This visit has only deepened the admiration of fans for Kim and Paolo, not just as artists, but as real, grounded individuals who bring joy to many through their work and presence.